Okay, welcome back for another update here in Conquer. So let me show you what we've been doing so far. Pretty much close to finish, about 90% now, thereabouts. So we've got the window company finishing off now. We're putting the sun visors in, which look really awesome. Catman's just about all finished. So I've got to do a video on how to do this, and I'll show you the product, which product we use. So they've just put the, see the white infills there, as part of the design. So a bit rubbing down and Catman finishing. There's pie rubbing down, getting everything squared up, looking good. I'll show you inside. Yeah, that's spot on, that done. Perfect. So yeah, it's just rubbing down before the wax goes on. Just doing some touch-ups. So all the electrics is done. You see we're just doing the wood now for the sun visor. We don't stain it, it's actually got a seal on it. I'll show you that in a moment. You wax finish it, you know, so then you've got less paint every year, you know. So you see we've got the DV board in, all the networking in there. A few days we'll have the boxing for the network, the patch panel and all that. It's got to go in. Kitchen will be here on the 15th. Yeah, this is for the sun visor. So it's all been waxed down, stained and waxed. The air cons are in. This is the tiling to finish off. The wall lights. Absolutely fantastic window company. These are Euro style windows. You see we've got the internal locking mechanism inside the window. This is actually 10mm toughened glass. Okay, you can see the cape mark on the windows. This is 10mm thick. So it's also got UV protection on it. What helps for the air can keep the room cool. Marks, so they're touching up to do. That's it, part of the snagging. Still got this door to hang yet. A bit more finishing off to do. So basically tiling, fit the bathrooms. And that's it. Okay, Tamalayo. Tamalayo. What are you doing?
Nothing yet.
Nothing yet. Why are you not giving her enough work? Yeah, good girl. That's what I like to hear. So these are the wall light that's going in, similar to what I have on the vineyard and that, but these aren't exactly the ones that you wanted. The style, they're not easy to get in Thailand because we use it from SketchUp, you know. So basically they're rubbing down all and staining, using the wood stain on it, get the colour right to match up on the top. So it's like going round and round in circles, doing touch-ups as they're doing fittings. I don't know how they can work on this day. I like to have a clean sight, you know. So Joy's using the belt sander to smoothen this all out. No, mate. Good job, yeah. Yeah, you're doing it right. Good job, yeah. Good job, yeah. ทำสวยมาก Yeah. But we've got a cycle here going in front of that, so you'll never see any of the barbed wire fencing. because I think it's ugly, but it's just a security. Adds additional security. So here we have the tank for the pump for the bathroom and the kitchenette area. Water storage, so basically that'll pump straight to here. Again, has the float switch in, so it turns, if there's no water, it turns the power off to the pump. Again, safety feature. I just love the finish on this. Come on. So again, we've got like two louver doors. They've got the fly screens to go on the back here. This is the control room. Yeah, so they fit the fly screen inside here. Service hatch, network, and also for fiber optic. 25mm cable. The supply. Plus for the solar's got to go on yet. This is the bathroom. You guys are using it as a storage just now. Big glass door. Excuse the noise. So I think we've got all the glass just about fitted. These are for the big doors. I'll show you the glass here. 10mm thick. Should have put something on that. It's touching the wall. The thick units. There's a fly screen over there. So we've still got the main entrance to do yet, and the parents' bungalow. But it's starting to look more and more like their concept that the client come up with. His design. He's over the moon with it, so I'm really happy. So there you go. And I'll sign off for now and see you on the next one, guys. Thanks for watching.